One of my favorite phrases is all-inclusive. When I hear about a resort or a vacation that's all-inclusive, it signals that all the details I normally have to add up are part of the package. No need to pack food, it's all there. Numbers 35 and 36 reveal to us the all-inclusive nature of God's wisdom. Contrary to how many people think about the law as simply brutal, legalistic, and strict, these twin chapters offer a snapshot of the justice and compassion found in God and the protection of those two blessings of the covenant, life and land. First, we have the cities of refuge in Numbers 35. The cities of refuge recognize the differences between intentional murder and deaths that were non-intentional. In the event of a death that was caused by someone accidentally, they were to be protected from those seeking their life in exchange. Cities of refuge were opportunities for someone to rebuild their lives after a costly mistake. Second, we have the rules for land inheritance. The daughters of Zelophehad had appealed to Moses that they could inherit their father's land despite the cultural custom that only men would be the inheritors. In Numbers 27, the Lord affirms the daughter's case, and the law is expanded to include them inheriting property. In Numbers 36, the related complication is presented. Whose family would own their land if they married someone in another tribe? The women agreed to marry someone from their own tribe, and the rule is established that land would not be removed from one tribe to another. Now, all these laws can seem obscure and irrelevant to us, but they offer valuable insight to reflect on. They reveal how God's law points to the all-inclusive grace and kindness found in Jesus. You see, Jesus embodied the same value when he extended grace to the thief on the cross and invited Jews and Gentiles, women and men, rich and poor, to receive an inheritance greater than land in God's love. These two texts call us to reflect and consider. What about God's all-inclusive wisdom encourages you?